In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Vimeo on demand videos on your website. Whether you're showcasing a film, educational content, or any other type of video, embedding is a great way to seamlessly integrate your Vimeo offerings into your own site. This process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to visit vimeo.com and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, it's easy to create one and start exploring Vimeo's features. Logging in ensures that you have access to all the videos and functionalities associated with your account, including the ability to share and embed your content. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Vimeo on demand title or the specific video you want to embed. This step is crucial, as you need to select exactly which video you'll be placing on your website. Vimeo on demand allows you to host and sell your videos, and picking the right content to embed is essential for making the impact you want on your audience. After selecting your video, find the share button. You'll usually locate this in the top right corner of the video player. Clicking on share opens up a range of options for how you can distribute your video, but for now our focus is on embedding it into your website. In the share pop-up window, you'll find the embed section. Here, Vimeo provides you with a snippet of HTML code specifically for embedding. This code is customized for your video and is the key to integrating your content with other platforms. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different options and adjustments you can make to tailor the embed settings to your needs, such as adjusting the player size or certain display options. Next, click copy to grab the embed code. This is a simple step but an important one, as it prepares the code to be pasted correctly onto your website. It may be helpful to keep this window open for reference as you proceed to the next step. Now head over to your website's HTML editor. This could be within a CMS like WordPress or a direct HTML file. Navigate to the section of your site where you'd like the video to appear and simply paste the copied embed code directly into the HTML. Depending on your website setup, you may need to toggle between visual and code views to ensure you're pasting in the right place. And there you have it, your Vimeo on demand video is now embedded on your website. Take a minute to preview the page to check that everything is displaying correctly and make any necessary tweaks. Embedding videos is a powerful way to engage your visitors with dynamic content. And with Vimeo, you have the flexibility and tools to create a seamless viewing experience. Thank you for watching, and happy embedding.